everyone, welcome back to Tutorials Point. Today in this video, I will guide you on how to fix Snapseed not saving edited photos or crashing. So now let's get started. The first step is make sure that you have enough storage. For that, simply go to your phone settings and search for storage and make sure your phone has enough storage space. But if it's full, delete unnecessary files to free up space. Another step is update Snapseed and OS. Simply go to the Play Store and search for Snapseed, and if you see any update, simply update the app. Another step is clearing cache. Go to Phone Settings and search for Apps and navigate to Apps and search for Snapseed. Scroll down and tap on Storage and again tap on Clear Cache at the bottom left corner. Last but not the least, try restarting the app and phone. Completely close the app and reopen it again. Try restarting your phone and it may fix some minor glitches. So this is how to fix Snapseed not saving edited photos or crashing. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.